there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Hello, guys. So, welcome to day 6. I'm so proud of you. We are almost at the end of the week, which is our, reflect week. And I'm so proud of you for making it this far. God bless you. So, yeah, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be creating our habits goals, okay, which is basically our identity. What identity do we want to have for 25? What identity do we want to be living in accordance to in 2025? Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing today, because it's very important for you to look at your habits as not just a list of random habits that maybe you got online. No, but they are your identity, because habits are basically just what we do every single day. Anything that you do every single day, you are that kind of person. Okay, so that is where you want to look at your habits, not based on this is what I want to get from this habit, or not based on this is what everyone is saying that I should do. No, you want to create your habit goals. First, determine what kind of person do I want to be? What kind of identity do I want? And then you now take it from there and start creating the habits that align with that identity that you want for yourself. Okay, and that is what we're going to be doing in this video. So get your resources ready and let us get onto it. All right, guys, so if you downloaded our PDF template and printed it out, you're going to have this as well. So this is quite similar to what we had for yesterday. So we have the B, and then we have the list that you can, write in. So of course, all of the B goals that you set for yourself. So let's say, for instance, when you wrote down your long-term vision, those B statements that you made, those are the identities that you want to be embodying in 2025. Okay, so let's say, for instance, in your health, you wrote that you want to be a healthy person. Okay, so as you can see, okay, I want to be a healthy person. That is the identity that I'm working towards. Okay, so what kind of habits does a healthy person have according to me? Okay, so that could look like, working out, 5 times a week, not eating any sugary snacks and all of that. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing. You just want to write it out, the B statements that you have, and then all of the habits that you need to complete for that B statement. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing now. If you want to make this more efficient for you, and you want to have your system ready to go on Notion based on all these things that we have been doing today and even in the previous video, then you can check out how you can do this step in your Notion template, which we're going to be going over now. All right, guys, so as you can see in the template, we have the day 6. So it's showing create habit goals because today is day 6. So you just want to click on it. And then once you go there, as you can see, we have our VIP section, we have our medium section, we have our low section. Okay, so we're just going to go to the health now. Let's say for the health, you have a B goal. So as you can see, we have B, a healthy person, right? So we're just going to, make this smaller. And then we're not going to go here. Okay, here you're not going to write down, okay, be a healthy person. So you're going to click a new page and then you're going to write it, be a healthy person, or you can just make this a healthy person. It doesn't really matter. So of course, as I said before, we're going to be having like this is like a system. Okay, so we want to like create the system so that you can be able to see this and track this identity in your habit tracker, in your goal tracker. So that is why we're going to be doing that. So as you can see here, we have a healthy person. So we're just going to click this healthy person. So let's say for your personal growth as well, let's go, maybe you wrote a B goal as well. So yeah, good. So you wrote a B goal. So let's say you want to be a confident person, and then let's say you want to be a reader. Okay, so maybe that is an identity you want to have. You see these babes on book talk, on booktube, and you want to be a reader as well, so you can add that in as well. So that is good. Okay, so now as you can see here, now we are not going to be creating. So now we've done that, so we can close this up. So now that we've done that, we have the identity. Now we're going to be writing down the habits that we're going to be following for the identity. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to click new page there as well. So you now want to click, okay, as you can see here, now all of the identities that we wrote in the previous step, they're showing up here. So as you can see, you want to click on it, a healthy person, good. And then you think, okay, what kind of habits do I need to have as a healthy person? So let's say work out 5 times a week. Good. Okay, so I'm just going to do this for all of the other habits as well on time lapse. All right, guys. So as you can see now, we have created the habits. Okay, so these are the habits and these are the identities. Okay, so of course, with this one, you can add more than one habit if you want. So you just want to click on it again. So you just want to create new page and then you pick that same identity again, and then you'll be able to have two habits for one identity. Okay, so let's say for instance you want to do evening prayers, maybe you want to be praying every bedtime prayer rather bedtime prayers. So you can add that as well. So yeah, guys, that is just basically that for that. So as you can see, this is just a really cool way for you to define the kind of habits that you want to be setting, not just random habits, but habits that align with the person you want to be. Okay, so yeah, guys, that is basically that for today's video. And that is officially the end of week 1, which is the reflect. And I'm so proud of you. Well done for making it to the end of this week. And I'm so excited for your growth because trust me, doing all of these things, yeah, you're gonna see a difference. And I'm so proud of you for making it through to the end. So yeah, guys, that is that for that. So tomorrow is just going to be a chill day, and then we're now going to be making the real plan for all of these goals that we have set starting from day 8. So I'll see you there, and bye.